Join me as I dive into the wild question, can Earth really survive without its moon? Let's find out together. The moon is often taken for granted despite being our planet's trusted companion for over 4.5 billion years, stabilizing Earth's axis and governing the tides. But have you ever wondered what would happen if our moon suddenly vanished? Could Earth continue to thrive, or would our planet be plunged into chaos? Losing the moon would have a profound impact on our planet's rotation, causing it to slow down dramatically. This would result in extremely long days, making it difficult for plants to undergo photosynthesis and regulate their internal rhythms. The consequences would be devastating, with many plant species struggling to survive. Without the moon's gravitational pull, the tides would cease to exist, dramatically altering coastal ecosystems and marine life. The lack of tidal movement would lead to stagnant water, causing a buildup of toxins and depleting the oxygen supply. This would have a catastrophic effect on the entire marine food chain. The moon's stabilization of Earth's axis is also crucial for maintaining a relatively constant climate. Without it, the planet would experience extreme variations in temperature, making it difficult for life as we know it to exist. Research suggests that the initial effects of the moon's disappearance would be catastrophic, with the planet's rotation slowing down by as much as 50%. This would cause the planet's magnetic field to weaken, leaving us vulnerable to harmful solar radiation. A study published in the journal Astrobiology found that the loss of the moon would lead to a significant increase in the extinction rate of species. The lack of tidal movement would also cause the oceans to become stagnant, leading to the release of toxic gases into the atmosphere. The cumulative effect would be an environment hostile to life as we know it. One theory suggests that the initial chaos would eventually give way to a new equilibrium, with Earth's environment adapting to the moon's absence. This process would take millions of years, during which time new species would emerge, adapted to the new environment. However, this new equilibrium would be vastly different from the one we know today, with the potential for new and unusual ecosystem formations. Another scenario suggests that the moon's disappearance would trigger a runaway greenhouse effect, causing the planet to heat up and eventually become uninhabitable. The uncertainty surrounding these outcomes is both fascinating and unsettling. The most compelling insight from our exploration is that Earth's survival without the moon is far from guaranteed. While it's possible that the planet could adapt over time, the initial consequences would be catastrophic, with the potential for widespread extinctions. The moon's importance cannot be overstated, and its absence would undoubtedly have far-reaching and devastating effects. In conclusion, the moon plays a vital role in sustaining life on Earth, and its disappearance would have far-reaching and devastating consequences. The uncertainty surrounding the outcomes is a sobering reminder of the moon's importance. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the unknown. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Earth could survive without the moon? And if you're curious about more space-related content, be sure to check out our video on the mysteries of black holes.